guys, today I'm gonna show you lehenga style sari draping in lehenga petticoat. So first I'm gonna wear a petticoat and then lehenga petticoat. So these are handmade petticoat by my mom and I have given link in the description box that how it made. You can also wear this as a lehenga and style it with a heavy dupatta. And you can also style it with a sari. Pick any of your favorite sari of your mom's wardrobe and now start making plaits from the right hand side. Make plaits all around your waist and it will create a lehenga look. Now bring this extra fabric in the front and pin the border using a safety pin. Now let's take this lehenga look up a notch with a beautiful heavy dupatta. These easy tips transform your sari into a beautiful lehenga in absolutely no time. So hope you guys enjoyed the video and find it helpful. If you really did, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and see you in the next video. Bye!